Hello. Hey. Are we live? We see. Okay, Twitch is working. Let's see YouTube. Perfect. Let's put on some music. Oh, wow. And here's Kawaii Mix. Okay. Need to make some audio settings changes, I guess. Am I audible? Interesting. Oh yeah, I am. Perfect. So, welcome to the day 2 of CKS practice. Let me just... Yeah. Let me sign in to my account and we can start with our next 4 questions. So, welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a nice day or night, wherever and whenever you're watching this. Let's see. Yep. And we should be in. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Let's change that back to live scene. Let me just keep an eye out here so that we know exactly what's happening. We have this on. We don't need to be here. We don't need terminal for this one. Let's see. Login. Google. And we are in. Perfect. So you want to do CKS. Again, this is an amazing course for CKS which comes with this practice playground. I highly recommend you guys go watch this. It's in 11 hours. Covers everything you need. And yeah, after that you can even do it during or once you want to have watched the whole thing. You can come back and after that practice here, get ready for your exam and just smash it. Okay, so let's get started. We are inside. We're doing API misconfigured today. Let's start this. So last time we misconfigured the API by ourselves and understood where to look for logs when the API is misconfigured. Now we have it misconfigured, and we have to figure out where, how it was misconfigured, and what we need to do to fix it, as they ask it. So the API server is not coming up. The manifest is misconfigured in 3 places. Okay, this is similar to the one we had in CKA as well, but yeah, it's a good refresher. So we need to be in etc Kubernetes manifests. This is one place. This is the place where our Cube API server configuration lives. We don't know where things are wrong. Okay, so we check the logs. Okay, get pods. We don't have anything. That makes sense. So last time we learned. Okay. Last time we learned that the logs are in var log. Containers ls. Let's look for API. Grab API. No container. Okay. Just CRICL. Yes. Do we have Cube API? No. And grab API? No. So a container was never built. So we look into journal CDL. We want it in reverse. First, output options. Yes. Oh, nice. Minus R is reverse, and then we'll grab it. Grab for kubelet. So let's see. This parameter should be set via config file, which see driver. Unhandled error. Let's see. Can we see anything? Kubelet. Interesting. Starting to serve the pod resources. We didn't have those logs. We didn't have these logs. Let's see. Kubernetes documentation. You go here. Yeah. Kubelet logs. I want to see. Because it's the kubelet on the control plane that is making sure that the manifests are running. So yeah. Log locations. Okay. Minus U. That's what we need to do. Oh, not what I meant to do. Is kubelet and actually let's keep it straight. Like, let's not reverse it. We want to see what happened from the beginning. Clear. Reference but unset. Okay. Where did it all go wrong? Initialize container. Do we have anything else? Oh yeah, there was a varlog syslog as well, right? Can't grab kubelet. It's the same thing. Yeah, just uglier. This is better. What has been deprecated? Okay, that is fine. Groups attempting adding static path. Okay, adding unhandled error, failed to watch node, watchdog started kubelet. Okay, let's grep for API actually. API server, to pass it to less. Yeah, yeah, minus u kubelet, but I don't want to less it. What does minus u do actually? User, right? Something like that. Hyphen u minus u. What? Show the user of the journal video for the current user. Where is the hyphen u? Is there not? What is happening? You'll be using a small u. That's man journal. PTL. Hyphen MD SCBU unit. Show message of specific system D unit. Yes. Okay. But I don't want it less. So output control. Lines, reverse, catalog, show all fields, follow, show all lines even in follow mode. Remain quiet. I know this is not CKS stuff, but this will definitely help. Like learning Linux commands will help you in the exam as well and in the long run. And fire priority. Oh, I can grep it. Perfect. Don't need that. Minus u. Minus grep. Then don't need this. Server. Let's go. Where is the grep? I think. Where is the grep? Unit minus G. Filter output. Or compatible regular expressions are used. Does it not highlight it? It just grabs it. I think so. Yeah, this is all API server, but it's just not highlighted. Creating a mirror bond, CA search. Unable to write event, error, post, HTTPS, namespace, dial TCP, connect refused, KBBI server, get cannot process manifest file, couldn't pass, could not find unexpected in line 4. Okay. Sorry, I'll show you where I am seeing this. Could not process, yeah. Couldn't parse as pod because this. So on line 4. Let's go here. Nano Cube API server. Line 4. Okay, this is part 1. Let's go. MV Cube API server data and mv /cube API server to here. You sometimes have to just do it to force refresh it. Not what I meant to do. Come on. Yeah. And let's give it a -r now because we want to check what is happening in reverse. Fail to get status for pod. Error. Crash loop back. Okay. Wait. Do we have the pods now? Like, is the container running? No. CRICTL PS. Grab API. No, we don't have an API server running yet. Manifest. We don't have it, right? Nothing's changing. Let's see. Fail to get status for pod. Cube system. I'm reading the first one. Yeah. Fail to get status for pod. Cube API server. Get this API namespaces. Connection refused. Why is it connection refused? It's always connection refused. Where is this? Let's check what is this. Cat cube API server grep. It doesn't know. Okay. Control Shift V, not Control V. Advertise endpoint and CA. We are on that advertised endpoint, so that is correct. Let's see. Advertise address, that's right. Oh, can't alt tab. Not bad. What else can we see? Validate queue API server YAML file. Is there a way to do that? These are all the options. Let's see. I know where the error is. Saw that. But I don't wanna. I want proof of it that is the error because I might not always know. Dun, 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 dun. Fail deleting. Fail to get status. Fail to get status. But we don't have it running, right? It's still not running. Why? It's not a parsing error, it's just something else. So the way it is usually we have. Let's check here. Actually not cat. Less. Oh yeah. Unknown flag authorization modus. It's mode, but I'll show you where to look for. Cube API server. Just come here, Control F, search for this. Authorization, and here we have authorization mode. Yay, we found it. So get out of here. Nano Cube API server. Authorization mode. We do the MV thing again. and check if it comes up. Okay, get pods. Not yet, okay. CRI, CTL, PS. We have Cube API server running. Perfect. Just kget pods. Kget pods is not running because we have a third place where it's misconfigured. So let's check. ls grep API. Okay. Okay. 127 server name, connection error while dialing this thing. So where in the manifest is this thing? Cube API server, grep, etcd servers. Where is etcd server supposed to be? Etcd servers. etcd. What's the default port for etcd? We can check there, right? Actually, CRI, CTL, PS, and where's the etcd? etcd. Okay, we can't. I thought it would be an open port, but it's not. No worries. We can just actually check the etcd ammo. etcd ammo, grep port 2381. Perfect. Let's change that. That is okay. etcd servers 2381. There's the MV. What's this? Then we bring it back, and hopefully we can get pods now. Refused. Okay. It might take some time to come up. No worries. 2381 is the port, right? etcd control F port. Not export. Port. This is not it. 2379. Hey, let's see. Actually, let's see here. Less etcd 2379 is the advertisement port. I'm sorry. What ports were those? Those something. Oh, liveness probe. Okay. 2379. And let there be pod. There you go. Check it, and we fixed it. One down, 3 to go. API server node restriction. Let's go. Take some time, but that's fine. The kubelet on node 1 shouldn't be able to set node labels starting with node restriction. Verify this is not restricted at the moment by adding label node restriction 1 from node 1 to node 1. Okay. So first we have to go into node 1 and let's see what documentation do we have for this. Any parts to know. Admission control. I'm using the. I'm assuming this. Control F label. No restriction. Mission plugin prevents kubelets from deleting their Node API object and enforce kubelet modification of labels under the queue. Okay. Is there more labels? First, able, it's label. And pod node selector allows forcing labels to run on specific label node. Node restriction. Let's search for node restriction actually. Node restriction. Is it authorization? I think it's admission control only. Authorization would check with admission control whether they have that specific permission to do that. The admission controller limits the node and pod objects a kubelet can modify. So yes, that is what we want to do. Search node 01. So the kubelet on node 01 shouldn't be able to set node labels started. So verify this is not restricted at the moment. So get pods, we can do that. Interesting. Not restricted. Adding label node 01 from node 01 to node 01. Label. But the kubelet is not configured properly. It is looking at localhost. Okay, let's see. Get nodes. Get nodes. Show labels. The kubelet should Here is a control pane. There's node 01. Label nodes. Oh no, couldn't get current server API group list. Connection refused. Label -H. Label not part. On label node. Label nodes. This equals that. Okay. Label node 01. This equals that, but it's refused. Let's check for the tip. We can contact the kubelet by using a kubelet kubeconfig. Oh, I didn't know that. Error from nodes is forbidden. User system node 1 cannot list resources nodes at the cluster scope. Okay, but can I label it? Labeled. Okay. Okay, get node didn't work though, but yeah. Cube config equals kubelet conf. Okay. I didn't know that. Let's. Okay, I can't see it here. Can I see it here? No. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Now, node 01 has this label, but I want to restrict that. So, the node restriction admission plugin prevents kubelets from deleting their object. Prevents kubelets from adding, removing, or updating labels with a node restriction or a prefix. Okay, how do I do that? So how do I do that? Okay. This is what I want to do, node restriction. Okay. Assigning paths to nodes. No. Let's see. Control F, Control V. Future. Oh, sorry. To limit the API objects kublet are able to write, enable the node restriction admission. Okay. So somewhere like Breda. To enable node authorizer, start the API server with authorization flag set to a file that includes node authorizer, for example. Or set to a comma separated list that includes node, for example. Yes, to limit API enable admission plugins. Okay, so this is what we need to do. We need to go here this cd etc kubernetes manifest kube API server authorization. We have node, but do we have that plugin thingy? Enable admission plugins. I think we'll have to add that. That's fine. It would be above this. So let's just KU, U, and don't need any of this. Just need some. Enable admission plugins equals node restriction. Yes. Do we have the MV thing? No. So MV kube API server dot and MV dot slash kube API server to dot. We have it back. Let's see if it is up. Okay, get pause minus a cube curl watch. I hope that I didn't mess it up. Let's see. Thank God. Everything's up and running. Like, let them all run. Pending. Cube API service pending. Ooh, interesting. Okay, that's enough time. Let's see if we can label it with 1, 2, 3, 4. Node restriction already has a value and overwrite is false. Okay, let's overwrite it. Overwrite is not allowed to modify labels. Oh yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, label node 01. This is what we did there. Control U, Control V. Sorry, yes, Control U. Control U is to clear whatever you've written, but it saves it just like Control K in our nano, and with Control Y you can bring it back. Node get node show labels. It doesn't. Yeah, I want to see how to remove labels. Remove node label. Control F, remove. Oh, okay. Oh, -1. My bad. Minus. Yep. What did we have before? We had Linux, and then right after that, yes. And now we try to do the same thing here. Like exactly what we did then. And is forbidden, is not allowed to modify labels, node restriction 1. Yay, yay. Okay. Works, but should be restricted. Check. What validation? Oh. Really? For now, we just had to do that. Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries. Let me check please. Okay. We did the whole thing, but they want us to go step by step. It's good. It's good for teaching. Let's do the MV thing again. Hopefully, can't do that. Watch. Let's wait for it to come up. But we also have to give it that, right? We want to do this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Because it takes 2 seconds. Watch does it every 2 seconds. Okay. And we're up and running. We have labeled it. We want you to check it. Enable the node restriction now. Try to label 2. And it should like not work. Thank you. Not yet. Press this. Uncomment. Move it. Watch it again. It's not gonna work, we know that. But yeah, we try that after the Kube API server is up. Let me see. Okay, we are back. Same error, please check. And we're done with scenario number 2. App armor. This is going to be good. Make it full. Let's start. You are asked to verify if the following app armor profiles are available on node 1. Create a file on node control plane. It should contain only these profile names that are available on node 01. Okay. App armor. That's the American spelling? Yes. Restrict to containers access to resources with app armor. Sure. Before you begin. Okay. I think the app armor status something. Let's see. Do we have anything else? AA something. AA status, yes. But which of these are enabled? No. Unconfined mode. 4 profiles are in complaint mode. Enforce mode are available on node 01. First we need to go to node 01. Let me just zoom this in. SH node 01. AA status. We're looking for this, right? Let's just grab these. Actually, only these profile names that are available on node 1. Only the profile names that are available on node 1 basically. So yeah, we'll just do a grep. Simple grep. AA status grep this. It does exist. Does this exist? No. Does FTPD exist? No. Does TCP dump exist? Yes. So nano. Create a file on node control plane. Okay, we have to create it here. Nano. And we need to add this and this. And check. Okay, validation successful. Let me just remove that nano from here. Clear, node 01. And yeah, there is an existing deployment called Space Cow in namespace moon. Let's see. Okay, get deploy. Okay, not this one. Sorry. We should be in control plane. Okay, get deployment -n space cow. Oh, deployment name is that. Namespace is moon. Space cow. Okay, it should be configured to use these app armor profile Docker default, but something seems wrong. Interesting. Okay, get deployment minus output -o, yeah. YAML dep.yaml, no dep, and let's see. I can't do Control W, which helps me search, but yeah, it should be here somewhere. Spec, this is that spec, this is container spec. Yes, app armor policy, localhost profile, Docker. It should be using Docker default. Okay, but we'll not apply it like this. We'll just edit the deployment. Deployment -n moon, and the name is spacecar. Oh yes, this is using Vim right now. So let's get out of here. If you don't know, you press escape, :Q. I'll show it again. Escape, you see the colon here in the bottom, that, and Q. If you made no changes. If you made any changes by mistake, like if you typed something, escape, :Q won't work. It tells you add the exclamation to override it. So :Q, exclamation. And like a sane person, just kidding, cube editor equals nano. Now, okay, interesting. Export. Yes, export. Now we have nano, and we can do default here. No, not what I meant to do, but it's okay. No, just show me. It's all running. Let's see what the tip is. App armor profiles can be specified at pod or container level. Yes, the container app armor profile takes precedence over the pod profile. Okay, we didn't know that. We should have. Did we? Let's see. Nano dep, yeah. Is there any other app armor? This is the container level spec. Okay. This is it. But yeah, if there are others, you'll have to check for those too as well. The solution, update the profile to Docker default, and verify. Okay. On node 01, you do this. Copy this. Moon. Fly me to the moon. And here we have it. Perfect. Check. There's an app armor profile at root profile. I think that would be in this. CD. No? Okay. Cat. This is a profile. Okay. App armor profile has been provided to us. Very comprehensive. Okay. It should be referenced by name. Change the profile if needed. Install it on nodes, control plane, and node 01. Okay. Fly me to the moon. It's in my head now. Does it have a name anywhere? Profile Docker Nginx. We want it to be Docker Nginx kernel, custom. Sorry. So we'll change that. And that should be it. Now we need to apply this. Install AA. What do we have here? Load. Let's see what load does. Load precompiled policy from a cache location or locations. Okay. AA status. Grep Nginx. Nothing. Let's see if AA load does anything. Fail to load policy, protocol not supported. Which protocol are you talking about? Play among the stars. Tear down status load AA exec. Enabled. Okay, that's it. Exec -H. Confine program with specified profile. It should be referenced, but change the profile if needed. Install it on nodes. But how? How? Restrict. Proof, we don't need that. AA load, we don't have a load. Exec, we don't have an exec. I think we'll have to go into the AppArmor documentation. Are we allowed this? I think it is mentioned in the course. Whether or not we're allowed, I don't remember what they mentioned, but yeah. Monitoring, AppArmor configuring, policy determining if causing a problem. Okay. Okay, that is something I would like to read actually. Determining if it's causing a problem. System policy is stored in directory, and when implemented, your policy will be stored in home app. We can move it there. Actually, etc AppArmor D. Let's see. Let's just copy it there, and we'll SCP into there as well. CP root profile etc AppArmor .d ls etc AppArmor .d. Let's do this. AA load. I don't know. All files within direct are profiles unless they match any of the following patterns, in which case the files are ignored. Okay, within AppArmor D, the following directories have special meaning. Do we have an? We don't have it disabled. Force complaint AB abstractions local. Do we have to check local? Your system may have some or all the above directory depending on your OS. Okay. Local. These directories contain profile additions and overrides to distribute profiles to aid in packaging AppArmor. The main profile in AppArmor D can still be modified an administrator. Okay. Directory layout. Quick guide. Sure. There's a profile thing also. Profiles, complaint, include rules, variables. No, I don't want that. I want profiles. And how to run them. How to create or modify profiles. By hand. That's what we're doing. Let's check again though. No, right? It isn't here. We need to somehow reload it. I just don't know how to do that. Basic process, rate limit. Okay. Complete. put in complaint mode. Create a. Okay. A complaint. Is that all we want to do? Install it. There's no complaint. Sudo a complaint root profile. Complaint not found. Yeah. I think I have to just put it there, but monitor logs. Okay. Modify the profile. Okay. Fine tune. Put it in enforce. I don't have that. Directory layout. Does it? Global and system settings are stored in here. User settings are stored in home. System policy is stored when implemented. User policy will be. Should I put it in user then? PWD. I am root. Yeah. Status. Oh, wait. Is it called profile? No, right? Okay. One password. I loaded, right? Yeah. A load. Failed start. etc app armor.d / yes. Failed to load policy into kernel. Oh my god. Let's see that if the following line sets. Yeah, we do know that. What is the solution actually? Change the profile, install on both. App armor parser. Okay. App armor parser. We were at the right place. We were just looking for AA. Now we know. Confinement. Okay. Damn. There is one instance of it in the. Match are not reachable via SSH. Oof. That's just one instance. You need to remember this. Or you are back. If I reboot it, I know. Same thing, same thing. Profile. SCP profile to node 01 root profile done. App armor parser profile, applied, AA status, grab and Nginx. We have that here. And we have that here as well. Exactly what we did. We need to remember this app armor parser. This is new. Let's go. Full screen this. Start. Auditing, enable audit logging. Okay, enable audit logging for given audit policy. Configure the API server for audit login. The log path should be this on the host and inside the container. Audit policies are this. The path should be same on the host and inside the container. Set argument this, set argument this. Okay, let's first search for audit logging. Auditing. Okay, sure. The log path should be this on the host and inside the container. Actually, I have no idea about this. I have not gone through this part of the course in that 11 hours. Like, I have not seen the whole 11 hours. I'm like doing it like I'm done with 6 hours or something. I don't want to go into this without any idea. Like, I could just figure out how to do this, but I also want to understand what it does. So I think I'll just log out today. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.